Hello, dear sixth graders. How are you? Nice. I hope everything okay with you guys. Let's talk a little bit about our last class and about rational number, decimals to fractions, fractions to decimals. Guys, remember, all rational number, it is any number it can be written as a fraction. Is called a rational number. Therefore, any decimal that can be written as a fraction is also a rational number. Great. And here I'm teaching you have 3 steps to do it. Read it, write it, and reduce it. I think you remember from our last class. Read it. Pay attention. Listen to yourself while you're reading. Example over here. Let me show the another slide. I think we have an example good over here. Read it like number 8. Number 8 over here. Read it 4 and 33 hundredths. Pay attention in your reading. 4 and 33 hundredths. Guys, number 4, it is a whole number. It's a mixed number. Nice. And 33. 33 is my numerator. 33 hundredth, it is my denominator. Nice, place value. And here's my fraction. Can I reduce it? No, I cannot. I cannot divide by 3 or by 2. I cannot. Then the number is like that. Nice, guys. I think you remember the other examples we covered in your class. Here, remember, how can I write a decimals of fractions as decimals? Guys, it's pretty simple. I taught you. When the case number 1, when the denominator is 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million is easy. Everything you heard is the place value. Example, 7 over 10. We can read it as word 7 tenths. Oh, 7 tenths, I know it is 0, decimal point, number 7. Pretty simple, guys. We did it for the other examples over here. And let me solve an example here in the case number 2. When we have in a case like we have a number and we want to write as a decimal, you just divide. Number 15 example over here. We have 11 over 5. 11 goes inside the box. 11. And number 5 outside the box. And ask yourself, how many times 5 goes into number 1? The first one over here. 0 times. Okay. How many times 5 goes into 11? The second one. It is 2 times. Oh, sorry, 2 times. It is 10. You subtract, would be 1. Mister, I have remainder. How can I solve it? Remember, add the decimal point, slide it up, and add 0. And bring it down. 10. How many times 5 goes into 10? That one is easy. It is 2. 10 minus 10, it is 0. No remainder anymore. And my result, it is 2 and 2 tenths. Pretty simple, yeah? Yes, very nice. Let's go ahead here, mister. Next one, non-terminating decimals. Guys, I told you, we have a special case when the decimals never ends. Okay, mister, how can I solve this kind of example? Simple. You need to do this thing. Decimals that never end are called non-terminating decimals. They have a pattern. And that pattern, because that pattern, we call this as repeating decimals. You will see all math teachers telling you it is a repeating decimals. What is it, mister? The decimals that can repeating all the time. Example over here, we cover it. 0.333333333. Who is the repeating decimals here? Number 3. How can I write this? I use a bar notation above it. Okay, above the number. 0.3, and we have the bar notation above number 3. Okay, how can I spell it? How can I say it in words? It is 3 tenths and 3 is repeating decimal. Okay, like the other one, 1.72. 72, 72, 72. How can I write this? 1.72 with the bar notation above the number 72. How can I read it? It is 1 and 7200 with 7200 repeating decimal. Nice, guys. Let's go ahead here. How can I solve it? Just divide as normal. And you'll see the pattern and you write as a bar notation over here. Great, guys. Example we have over here. Let me solve number 21. I have 1 is a whole number. Just keep it. And 5 divided by 6. 5 inside the box, 6 outside the box. How many times 6 goes into 5? 0. Add a decimal point, slide it up, and add 0 over here. How many times 6 goes into 50? 6 going to 50, how many times? Let me see. It is 6 times 6, 36, 7, 42. It is 7, 42. And it is 8. Put a 0 over here, bring it down, 80. How many times 6 goes into 80, guys? What do you think? Oh, sorry, guys. No 42. My bad. Not 7. My bad. We go 8. 6 times 8, 48. 48, then it's 2. Bring it down, 20. Oh, better. 3 times 6, 3. 3, 18. You repeat it here, 2. 0. Bring it down, 20. 18 again. It's still here. Oh, 3 again here. Sorry, my bad. It is 3. 2. And after, keep repeating 3, guys. 3, 3, 3, 3. How can I write this? Have here the whole number 1 and 8, 3, bar notation in the 300ths. Nice, guys. That's it. Pretty simple. Here, the next one, we need to compare, guys. For comparing, I need to convert it to decimal. Let's convert number 1 here. 5 divided by 8. 5 goes inside the box. 8 goes outside the box. Here, how many times 8 goes into 5? 0. Decimal point here, you slide up. 0. How many times 8 goes into 50? It is 5. 5 times 8, 40. 6. 6 times 8, 48. 48. 2. You add a 0 over here, bring it down. How many times 8 goes into 20? It is 2 times. 2 times 16. You bring it down, 40. Go 4. You add 0, 40 right now. How many times 5 goes into 40? Oh, 8 goes into 40, 5 times. It is 40. 40 minus 40, it is 0. We solved the problem. My result here, it is 0.62. I have here 0.625. Who is the biggest? 625,000. This one is the biggest, guys. 5/8 is bigger than 62 hundredths. Nice. That's it, guys. To comparing like that, remember to solve the problems over here, and to ordering is the same thing. Remember, guys, what you have to do to order a number. I will solve number 11 over here. First, compare the greatest to least. Okay, guys, the greatest to least. Pay attention, read it, and understand. Least to greatest is different than greatest to least. Remember here. Solve the problem here. Let's divide. Let's find the decimal over here. This one, 8 over 25. Let's solve over here. 8 goes inside the box. 25 outside the box. How many times 25 goes into 8? 0. I need decimal point, slide it up. Okay, I have here. How many times 25 goes into 80? 80. How many times? Oh, mister, it is 2 times. 3 times, sorry. 3 times is 75. It is 5. You're subtracting 5. You're bringing down number 0 over here, add 0 over here. 50. How many times 25 goes into 2 times, mister? Oh, 2 times. It is 50 and subtracting 0. Remember to bring it down. Nice. Here's my result, 0.32. 0.32. And 3/10, I can write this as 0.3. Pretty simple. Greatest to the least. Who is the greatest over here, guys? Who is the greatest? The greatest is the biggest. The biggest one is 0.32. 0.32 or 32 hundredths. What is the next? Who is the next? I think it is repeating pattern. 3, 3, 3, 3. Oh no, sorry guys, my bad. Who is the biggest? Is the repeating pattern because it's 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay, and after one is 0.32, and now 0.3, comma 0.3, and the last one. Who is the last one? It is 0. Just 95,000. Okay, 95,000. The greatest to the least. Okay, guys, here's our lesson. Remember the steps I told you. Read it, write it, and reduce it. That's it, guys. I hope you're enjoying. Have a good and nice end of the year. Enjoy your Christmas. See you next semester, guys. Bye bye.